Once you have connected your shop and your listings have been imported, this is what you will see inside Listadum. Right away, you will notice the issue column. Listadum automatically analyzes every listing and checks it against Etsy sellers and book recommendations. If we detect common problems or opportunities for improvement, like missing keywords, too few photos, or short titles, you will see them flagged there, along with recommendations to fix them. From there, you can look across the rest of your data. Some of the most important metrics are daily views and conversion rate. How many of those views are turning into sales? And to make it simple, everything is color-coded. Green is strong, yellow is average, and red signals that you may want to take action because this listing is not performing so well compared to your other listings. For example, if you see a listing with plenty of views, but a lower conversion rate compared to the others, this may indicate that this listing has a problem and we may want to dig in. Maybe we'll want to update our photos, refine our title, adjust the pricing, many opportunities. The listing manager gives you a complete picture so you can stop guessing and immediately spot the listings that need work.